Dreame H14 versus H14 Pro. Same family, same lie-flat trick, but for me, one of them only earns the extra cash if you're cleaning a very specific kind of mess. Both handle daily crumbs and spills without breaking a sweat. The real split is what happens with dried-on gunk, sticky kitchen disasters, and how much hassle you're willing to deal with after. If you mostly want a fast daily pickup on hard floors, one is the smarter buy. If your kitchen takes a beating and pets are part of the chaos, the other earns its keep. Both linked below.
So how do they actually clean? Both pack the same 18,000 pascals of suction. Both run hot water through the roller. Both handle daily crumbs, juice spills, and pet hair without making you go over the same patch twice. On a normal Tuesday with cereal on the kitchen floor and dust bunnies under the couch, you genuinely won't feel a difference. Where the Pro pulls ahead is the dried-on stuff. Smart dirt detection adjusts suction and water flow on the fly, so when it hits a sticky spot, ketchup that's been sitting, dried coffee, that toddler yogurt situation, it dumps more water and grunt into that exact zone. There's an opinion floating around from someone who put it on hardwood and tile with kids and a dog, and the bit that stood out to me was that sticky kitchen messes cleared in 1 or 2 passes, without a second walkthrough. The standard H14 will get there too, but you're doing the thinking yourself, picking the mode, going over it again. For pet hair, both use the dual rotation roller with the comb scraper, and tangling really isn't an issue on either. That part's a wash. One honest caveat that applies to both: floors come up a bit damp. Folks who own them mention the moisture lingers a touch longer than other vacuum mops on the market. Not slippery dangerous, just noticeable. If you need bone-dry floors 30 seconds after cleaning, neither one is your dream machine. Now, pushing them around. This is where the Pro actually justifies a chunk of its price. It has self-propelling drive wheels, meaning the motor literally helps push it forward and pull it back. The standard H14 doesn't. You're driving it yourself. Both lie completely flat at 180 degrees, both keep full suction in that flat position, and both squeeze under furniture down to about 3.5 inches at the head. So the under couch trick is identical. But if you've got a bigger house or stairs or anyone in the home with wrist or back issues, that glide wheel assist on the Pro is the kind of thing you stop noticing after a week and then really notice the day you go back to a regular one. For a small apartment with open floors, the basic H14 feels light enough. Honestly, you don't need the assist. For everyone else, the Pro just feels easier. Maintenance. This is where wet-dry vacs usually become a regret purchase 6 months in. Both do the hot water self-clean at 140 degrees, both follow it with hot air drying, and that combo really does keep the roller from turning into a swamp. The fluffiness after a cycle is genuinely impressive on both. Real talk though, no machine cleans itself fully. There's a review I keep thinking about from someone who flat out said if you let the dirty water tank sit overnight, no self-clean cycle on earth saves you from the smell. That applies to both units equally. Empty the dirty tank right after, rinse it, you're fine. Forget once, you'll regret it. The Pro adds one quality of life thing here, a built-in detergent tank that auto-doses the cleaning solution for about a month per fill. On the standard H14, you're mixing solution into the clean water tank yourself every refill. Small thing, but it adds up. On battery and coverage, both run up to 40 minutes and carry a generous water tank, enough to do a medium home in one go. People with 2,000 square foot houses report finishing on a single charge with battery to spare on either model. If your home is genuinely big, you'll be stopping to refill water before you run out of juice on either one. Quick mention on smart extras. The Pro brings app control, the LED headlight on the brush head, and that auto detergent dispenser. The standard H14 keeps it simpler, with just the onboard display. Price and value. Both sit in a similar premium range, with the Pro usually carrying a noticeable bump. The standard H14 gives you the same suction, same lie flat, same hot water wash and dry, same roller tech. The Pro adds the self-propelling wheels, smart dirt detection, auto detergent, LED, and app. The standard H14 tends to see deeper discounts during sale events, while the Pro holds its price more steadily. Here's the call. For most of you watching, the standard H14. Same suction, same lie flat, same hot water wash and dry as the Pro, and for everyday hard floor cleanup, it does the job without you paying for extras you won't use daily. If your kitchen takes a beating with sticky, dried-on messes and you've got pets adding to the chaos, the Pro earns its keep with smart dirt detection and the self-propelling wheels. And if anyone in the house has wrist or back issues, no fluff, the glide wheel assist on the Pro is worth every cent. The standard H14 tends to see deeper discounts during sale events, so worth waiting for one. And you, which one would you pick? Let me know in the comments. Both linked below.